Hello! So finally, after a lot of research, I got myself a 3D printer. This is the Mendel 90. That's an open source platform for 3D printers. The 3D printer that prints itself. This kind of intrigued me. I couldn't really find the instructions in the package, so I just googled 3D printer instructions and found the instruction set on the reprap forum for this model. Only during the unpackaging of all the parts I realized how many parts there were, and yeah, this build is gonna take a while. The material for the plates is something called die bond. It's a composite material made of some plastics in the middle and thin sheets of aluminum on the outside. It's incredibly rigid and extremely light and very nice to work with. So I started by cutting out the templates roughly and then cutting the templates close to the line. First I thought this paper was self-sticking, but no. I glued them on with some simple household glue. I'm not really used to using templates like this for drilling holes. Usually I'm measuring the center holes. But in the end it worked out fine. I punched the centers of the holes to get ready for the drilling. Since there are a lot of different sized holes, it's nice to have a set like this with a lot of different drills. And always remember, measure your drill, because there can always be a mistake. I drilled the holes just using my hand drill. The slotted holes are also easiest done by using a drill in the corners. I use this little paint can for my outer radii. Countersinking the holes makes them all nice and clean. Using my bandsaw I cut the corners and cleaned them up using my belt sander. And yes, peeling off the foil was very satisfying. I used my coping saw to cut out the long holes. I basically just repeated all these steps on the other plates. And there we have them, all of the plate pieces completed.